This video is for us to understand how to create workouts on Garmin Connect app. So this is the Garmin Connect app, uh, and here you can see an option called More on the right bottom. So you click on that, and then go to Training and Planning. So here workouts, and then here you can see I've already created certain workouts. So what you can do is you can go and click on this create a workout option, and then choose running. And you see that there are certain steps which are already added. So let me delete this. I mean, you can either configure this as per your workout, or you can delete this and create a fresh. So I'll just delete all of these and then click on add step. So for today's workout, we had a 1K of steady run, and then 400-meter hill repeats, and then 1K of steady run towards the end, right? So I've just added a step here. So by default, it has some options, say 1K. Again, see here you see the step type as run. There are multiple other options which are available, like say warm up, run, cool down, rest, recover, and other. So I'll select this as warm up. So, and the distance would be 1 kilometer. No change in that. Again, you have multiple options in the duration type as well. It could be time, distance, lap button press, calories, or heart rate. So for now, I'll select distance, and the duration, again, you have multiple options. So I'll leave it to 1K, and then target type, you have options here as well. In case if you are specified to run at a certain pace, you can choose pace between which you have to run, so that you get alerts in your watch in case if you are running at lower pace, or if you are pacing too high, right? So I'll just remove this, and then target type, I'll set it back to no target. So when you come back, you would see that there is a step added called warm up of 1 kilometer. And for the repetitions, you can either click on add repeat first, and modify the options which are available here. Or if you want to start afresh, just delete this. I'll add 400-meter of run here. So I'll just say 400-meter, and then no target type, and then say save. So this was for the uphill, and you add another step and change the step type to recover, and then duration would be 400-meter again, and then go back. So now you add repeat, and then drag these two inside. I'll just read the unwanted steps, and I'll change the repeat times to 5. Alright, so the last step here was a 1 kilometer steady run, which was cool down. So I'll just change the step type again to cool down. And I'll explain the importance of choosing the step type here while we actually see when the workout is done, right? So the duration type again is distance, and duration is of 1 kilometer. All of this looks fine. You can go back. So this is your actual workout. So this is how you configure it on the Garmin Connect app. So once you're done with all of this, when you're satisfied, you click on save. You'll be prompted to key in the workout name. Just say hill repeats, and then save. Once you save, you'll see that the one which you have created recently will stay on the top. So open that again, and then the option what you see here, send to device, click on that, and then select your watch. So now you would see the same workout on your watch. Okay, now that you have created a workout on Garmin Connect app, You just have to use that for your actual run. So for that, you go to the run option and then click on the three dots and go to training. Under training, you select workouts and you just select the workout you've just created. So that's it repeats. Here you can see the details of the workout, say warm up and run and recover 400 meters each and cool down. So you select this and say do workout. So once you're here, you can click on or you can click on the start button and then start the workout. So the first 1 kilometer, which was warm up, once this warm up is done, so it'll be advanced to the run workout of 400 meters uphill, and say you're done with your 400 meters uphill. So it'll automatically advance you to the recover workout. So again, once you're done with the 400 meters of recovery, that is the downhill. So it by itself move to
5,
next workout.
4, lap 6, 3, lap 7, 3.
So you also can see other details in the various data screens. So maybe pace, the time which you have taken, and the distance which you have covered. And again, you can this is configurable. You can set it up to your choice. So once all of the laps are done,
Lap 9,
so once this is complete, again you will be prompted to the cool down workout. And again, once the cool down as well is complete, you stop your watch as usual and then save the workout. Once this is done, we'll just go to the Garmin Connect app again to see how our workout looks. So once you're done with your workout, this is how it would look on the Garmin Connect app. So you click on your workout and then go to laps. So here you would see the warm up, the run, recovery, again the 5 repetitions, and then cool down. So you can select on run. So this is how your runs of 400 meters uphill would look like. So here you can see that the run and the recoveries and the pace, the distance, and all of that. Just that we skip those workouts, would not see the details. Otherwise, in the actual workout scenario, you should be able to see all the details as per your workouts done. There are a few other options you can set in the workout. Let me go back to workouts and then you'll repeat. Here, in case if your recovery is based on, let's edit this. If your recovery is based on time, say 90 seconds of rest. So what you do is change the duration type to time and then change it to 1 minute 30 seconds. So this way you don't have to like actually check your time whether it is done or not. As soon as 1 minute 30 seconds is done, you'll be moved to the next workout or the next step of the workout. So this is all about it. So in case if you still have any queries, we can discuss that.